You've been through a separation. You've been through a phase where, good or bad, but it's very difficult to let somebody go, even if you take a decision for it.
Yeah. Wow,
But
she
it's not-
really is. She's reading my mind. Today, I can proudly say that my ex-husband is one of my closest friends, and
Which
I.
is so beautiful.
Yes.
So when you buy a car which you have,
Yeah.
तो उसका टोटल नंबर क्या है?
4.
जब आपने किसी से पूछा तो आपने पूछा कि 4 नंबर क्यों? अगेन वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन जानेमन विद जय मैदान। आज हम जानेमन पर किसका मन जानेंगे? आज हम उनका मन जानेंगे जिनकी शक्ल भी बहुत खूबसूरत है, पूरा व्यक्तित्व बहुत खूबसूरत है और मन भी बहुत खूबसूरत है। she's been a dancer, she's still a dancer. She's been in theatre, in television, in movies. You think about it and you'll find her somewhere. She's been a mother, a co-star to the biggest stars also. So I would like you to see the youngest and the prettiest mother you would have ever seen. And I am ashamed sitting next to her कि अगर उनको माँ बना दिया तो मुझे तो दादी बना देते. But jokes apart, I want all of you to welcome Riddhi Dogra here with me.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When I looked at you, and when I looked at you in the movie, and I said, God, thank you, I'm not in Bollywood.
मैंने पहले मना ही किया था. I said no to Atlee, but then he called me back again, and the role it's become so that she played a mother to Shah Rukh, but there was a younger version of the character, and the real mother is actually Deepika. She's the one who births Shah Rukh's, the child version, and I'm the guardian. I'm actually not his mother, but yes, in the frame, I'm standing like the old person next to Shah Rukh. So I know that was a little. मेरे लिए भी वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा था कि why, and I love Shah Rukh.
Of course, otherwise you would have not said yes to it. I could
Yes.
see your love and intensity कि चल कुछ नहीं माँ ही बना दे.
No, you know what, I mean, अब मैं बोल सकती हूँ, but I was saying that I'm such a big fan of Shah Rukh, anything to make him look young.
Okay, that's also another perspective to it.
I felt-
No, otherwise school time पर होता था कि जब कोई लड़का किसी लड़की को बहुत पसंद करता था ना और वो उसको मिल नहीं सकती थी तो वो उसको बहन बना लेता था कि चल किसी बहाने से ही तू पास तो रहे. So I looked at it and I said this can be only done by a die-hard fan.
Yeah.
कि कुछ नहीं बस तू साथ तो खड़ा रहे. You know, at least
Yeah.
let me share that scene and that camera and that screen with you.
Yes.
So that is intensity of your love for him.
Oh,
and,
yes.
Hats off to you. Because I remember the times when a woman doesn't even want to talk about her relationship in this industry कि लोगों को लगेगा कि मैं अब available नहीं हूँ तो वो मुझे चाहेंगे कैसे. And this is a very new age thing that had happened just मेरी आंखों के सामने. As I grew, the industry grew.
Yeah.
And it's so beautiful to see that they don't care. They want to marry.
Yeah.
They want to have a child
Yes.
in the peak of their career. And then they have to make people feel that I'm still desirable. I'm
Yes.
mother,
Yes.
but I'm still desirable, which is such a beautiful phenomena and a new age version. तो इसके बाद आपको बड़ी उम्र के लोगों ने अप्रोच करना शुरू किया कैसे कुछ इसमें कुछ चेंज दिखा in
No.
people's eye?
Please don't say all this. नहीं. Actually, I'm very unapproachable.
Okay.
So nobody
With
approaches
this
me.
dimple, I will not believe it.
I don't know, but yeah, I am. I'm not easily, available for anybody to approach me. It's never been like that. So maybe people, but yeah, इस movie के बाद no. In fact, people have gotten upset कि how can you make such a young girl into a mother? I've read that a lot on social media.
Yeah, because even for the director, I would also think कि मतलब ये क्या सूझा?
He's also mad. So when he met me, Atlee told me, "Sir, I'm psycho." So I said, "No problem. I'm also psycho. Let's do this."
So why are you wearing a snake ring on your finger? It's Isha.
Yes.
And do you meditate
I do.
every day?
I do. I have to meditate every day. I have a lot of energy. So
And Shambhavi is what you do every day?
I don't do Shambhavi. I did that. वो एक पूरा जो course होता है वो मैंने किया and double किया because I missed one day. I had मेरा एक शो का प्रीमियर था तो उस रात को छूट गया and they say that if you miss one night you have to start all over again. And I was very 5 days into finishing it. But I restarted it. So yeah, I did that at that time. लेकिन अब मैं meditate करती हूँ and I do my japs and every day. It's very important to me.
And jap of?
All the gods.
Really?
Yeah.
So which chant you do? Is it secretive or you can share it with your people?
I mean, I can share it. I start with a chant I do for my ancestors. Then a chant for the goddess. Then for Shivji. For Ganpati, I do
all the chants.
Yes.
That is,
I love it. It's like
it's visible on your
oh,
face, in
and
your
then
persona.
Shri Ram, then Hanuman. So
All of them.
yes, I do.
Okay, so
I try my best because kabhi itna time, you know, there are days when you can't. So then I do maybe short versions. Like I wouldn't do Mahamrityunjay that day, or maybe I will not do, the chant. There's a longer chant I do for the goddesses. So shayad wo na karu, usko short kar दूं. लेकिन mostly I like to take out time and I like to do my chants.
and do you think they change and charge your energy?
Yes.
Do you think it creates a difference?
Yes.
And when was the time you started it? Because
Not very long ago actually.
yeah, because you weren't like this in your college time.
No.
So-
not at all.
Yeah, you were against all this. You know,
Yes.
just like you used to think ये ढोंग है ही
मुझे
क्यों?
समझ
मतलब
में
अगर
नहीं आता
भगवान
था।
को आप करते हो तो ये सब करने की क्या जरूरत है? उनको तो सब पता है. Why do you need to do all this facade?
Wow,
But
she
it's not.
really is. She's reading my mind.
But that's not what you are now. So what changed it?
I think in my college I always believed in God, but उस time पे एक बहुत अंदर से एक आवाज आई which said that keep your deeds good. You know, God is in your heart. If you're a good person, then your heart is the temple. And I swear, अब मैं सोचती हूँ, who told that young girl that? My mother didn't, surely, you know, like it's not like they told me this, although they do think like this, but उन्होंने तो मुझे ये नहीं बताया था. So I think it changed with, as you know, life happened, lots of things happened in life, and I always feel like no matter how low I go, I always come back very, very strongly and very happily, and life has always been very good. So it's more out of gratitude, you know, that I want these energies with me. And also I think somewhere I've begun to see them as my friends.
Humans are on the first plane. The second plane to us is that who are not our ancestors but soul around us. कोई अभी अचानक चला गया accident में. He wasn't prepared to go. He doesn't know what to do, where to go, and he's not ready to go also. That's the second portal. But our ancestors are the closest one, where their consciousness is around us to help us. You know, where they are closest angels to us. So ancestors are the first ones that give you suggestions. They're the protectors of us. हमारे आसपास एक कवच बना कर रखते हैं. So first thing you look for in life is protection.
Yeah.
Then after that, what you look for is power. That
Yes,
is why you
Shakti.
do, goddess chant of Shakti. Then after that, you like to have
Her
mental
husband.
peace, mental peace and stability.
Yeah,
Shiv is
yes.
stable.
Yes,
You know, he's like
absolutely.
calm and stable.
Yes.
Then the third thing you require in life is peace. मुझे शांति चाहिए. You know, I want mental peace. I can't have khach in my life. The next thing that you do
Ganpati.
is Ganpati. You know, where you can see the obstacles, but you can't find a way to remove them. So
Yeah.
you want somebody to remove those obstacles for you. Then next is Ram, you know, which is about discipline and goal orientation.
Yes.
But you need help in your goal orientation. You need support of people. You need people to come along. Is where Hanuman closes the whole cycle for you.
Yes.
You know, so it's a beautiful way. What your brain wants from life, you've created a pattern to make it
Wow.
happen. Yeah.
Wow.
So there are no coincidences.
Yeah.
The portal that we connect to always have an answer to it. Like I just noticed your watch. You know, and if you see the beautiful Bulgari watch that you're wearing has a green dial.
Yes.
You could have picked up a blue dial, which
It's actually a
comes in.
gift.
Yeah,
So does
but-
that mean anything?
And yeah, जो हमको गिफ्ट देते हैं ना घड़ी, हम उनका वक्त और उनका गुड टाइम भी ले लेते हैं.
Oh.
Which is nice. So if
Okay.
somebody who's better than us and they gift us, then we start becoming of that league, which is a very very good thing.
Okay.
And then you see इस घड़ी में जो ब्रांड है, ये घड़ी के डायल के बाहर लिखा हुआ है,
Right.
अंदर नहीं है.
Right.
तो जब ब्रांड अंदर नहीं होता है और बाहर होता है तो हम बहुत सारे पॉपुलर और प्रॉस्परस लोगों के बीच में होते हैं, बट वी फील मैं मिसफिट हूँ, मैं ऐसी क्यों नहीं हो रही हूँ,
Okay.
बिकॉज द ब्रांड इज आउटसाइड.
Okay.
इसमें 2 ही नंबर एक्टिव हैं, 12 and 6.
Okay.
So where the life focus will bring you to yourself, और जैसे ही आप खाली होंगी to the person you love the most.
Okay.
या you will have the desire कि मुझे सेटल होना चाहिए.
Okay.
अब काम तो चल ही रहा है, साथ साथ मुझे सेटल होना चाहिए. This watch is going to invoke this feeling in you. Plus it's a green dial which talks about growth, which will make you work on your communication and which will not make you feel tired most of the times. Plus this will also turn you a lot towards vegetarianism
Okay.
even before you realize it. It's a health conscious color that you've picked up. So when you buy a car which you have,
Yeah.
तो उसका total number क्या है?
4.
Okay. And
Yeah, 4.
yeah. And
I mean, if I just count the 4 digits.
4 digits, yeah, that is how a car number is checked. But जब आपने किसी से पूछा तो आपने पूछा कि 4 नंबर क्यों, मतलब why? नहीं.
Please tell me. भी तो बस ऐसे ही you know how you feel ना, मेरा birth number है, so that's my lucky number. So there's no, I've not asked anyone, I'll be honest.
So because if you see 4 जब हम लिखते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सारे angles हैं. You can put lot of angles in the phone number. तो it makes you very hands on to everything. ये क्यों हुआ, ये कैसे हुआ, ये किसने बनाया, अब क्या होगा, किधर गया. तो ये इतने सारे क्वेश्चन ले आता है. या वेयर द हॉलीडे ऑल्सो बिकम्स अ होल थिंग. कौन सी गाड़ी आएगी, कितने बजे आएगी, ड्राइवर का नंबर क्या है, इसको फ़ोन करो, अभी तक पहुंचा क्यों नहीं, इतने बजे निकलना है, बोलो नीचे खड़ा है कि नहीं. सो टक 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 वो प्रोसेस खत्म नहीं होता. एंड बिकॉज यूर एनी वेज टू प्रोसेस ओरिएंटेड. और अगर 4 नंबर की गाड़ी भी होगी तो चलते हुए इफ़ यू ड्राइव योर सेल्फ यू फील कि इसको समझ नहीं गाड़ी कैसे चलानी है, जब मैं इधर इंडिकेटर दे रही हूँ तो वो देख क्यों नहीं रहा.
I think you're right. This is exactly how I am. Like, but I am more like this with my work. I'm not like this in my personal life. Personal life, I'm like, drive me and take me wherever. I don't even bother about traffic. कितना time लगने वाला है. But in my work, I am like this. Where is the car? How are we going? Like right now, I have a shoot to go for in 2 weeks. And I've driven, I think, the whole team crazy because I want all details. I want to know everything, how, and they're like, "हो जाएगा." I'm saying, I don't want this. हो जाएगा. I want to know everything.
Yeah. Yes. So 4 नंबर को हम जितना एक्टिव करेंगे ये उतना ज़्यादा होगा.
Okay.
And because right now you're 80% your work and only 20% is left about your personal life.
True.
So वो 80% is where you will get the major results. Now in your relationship also, if that will happen, suppose you're remarrying soon, maybe in next 2 years. So in that whole process you'll say कौन होगा डेकोर वाला, नहीं मुझे कलर बताओ, व्हाट शेड ऑफ पिंक शो मी. फिर मेरा मेकअप वाले से पहले पूछो कि मुझे दिखाए कलर मैचिंग है कि नहीं. सो इट्स लाइक दैट whole analytical process of not able to delegate is what will drive you mad. And because now you want to expand, you want to get into production, you want to do short films, you want to get into OTT production. There is so much that is running in your hand where you want to try your hands out with direction also, at least on the superficial part of it, understanding the whole process. So it's new things that you want to do. No, there's so much of tuck in it. It's like a beautiful way of being like आमिर खान. बनाऊंगा भी मैं, पैसा भी मेरा, काम भी मैं करूंगा, और फिर भी मुझे पसंद नहीं आया तो मैं वापस दोबारा करूंगा. So it's that. So it's just that I don't know how much you want of it, but we're almost there. Up to down, you're like a book to decode, but I will not do that. I will let you decode your life and I'll be nicer.
Okay.
I'll be sweeter and not do my thing.
Yeah, you won't show ki you're doing it, but it's actually you're doing it.
I'll try to be as nice as possible. But I want to ask about you is a very important question that you've been through a separation.
Yes.
You've been through a phase where good or bad, but it's very difficult to let somebody go, even if you take a decision for it.
Yeah.
So, and in our psychology, in our philosophy of you being a Punjabi.
Yes. I'm a Dogri actually. Jammu, Sharmas, I'm a Dogra.
All the more.
Okay.
Where you feel that divorce or separation is such a taboo.
Yeah.
And they just feel क्या problem है, इस बात में क्या बड़ी बात है, इसमें क्या है, निभा लो. How did you cope up and what would you like to tell the people who just feel that sometimes you just outgrow? It's a misfit.
Yes.
And how do you take that call? You get into that again insecure zone.
Yes. No, I think उस time पे when I was going through the whole process, Buddhism really
Helped you?
Helped me, but I wouldn't say Buddhism made me go through separation. It was actually Buddhism and the teachers, the mentors that I met at that time, they were actually asking me to stay. That don't shake your boat, whatever it is, your life karma jo bhi hai yahi hai. So what I did was I left it to God. I think that was probably one of the first times when I said, come help me out, because I can't think straight. I don't have the mental ability to do this, but if I'm wrong, then guide me. So I did do a lot of Buddhism, a lot of chanting, and my only intention used to be either this way or that way, whatever it is, it should be there should be dignity and grace for both of us, and there should not be any there should not be any pain. No, like it should not be like I'm better and the other one is suffering. And I think more or less but it was a very long drawn process. I wouldn't like to get into the detail of that on camera, but it was not something that I decided and then just did it in some months. It was a very long process, and a decision that I took many years to come to. And today I can proudly say that my ex-husband is one of my closest friends, and
Which is so beautiful.
Yes, and I have that friendship because back then I knew that either I can give into society and I can continue this marriage, because actually on the face of it there's nothing wrong.
Correct.
I was married to probably my best friend, but best friends don't always make
Best husbands.
best husbands. So either I can just stay on and we are public figure, people love us, it's all good. Kya bura, there are millions like this.
who are doing that.
Yes.
Correct.
But for me, I don't know, it was very important for me to not be hypocritical in my soul. Because there is a certain perception you're giving out, and then there's a certain way you're living. And I was struggling with that, and I was like, no, this is not how I want to live, because it's really not about putting a face in front of society. It's about my life. And so that when I realized that, and I also knew that yes, there'll be pain in this separation, there'll be pain for families and everything, but the beauty of that today is he is one of my closest friends, confidants, and I can count on him. I mean, वो concept जो होता है ना कि my child will take care of me, वो सब thought नहीं होना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. बाकी companionship and to have a family and to have a legacy is beautiful. So I feel like it's important. But personally, अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो I don't think it's like the most important thing, or I don't look at it like that. But yes, I would love to nurture a child. I would love to.
And you wanted to have a daughter at one point in time.
You're reading my mind. I want to have a daughter right now. I would love to just have a daughter. So I don't think marriage is important to have a child anymore. I mean,
I agree to that.
Yes.
My daughter is 20 and you've already met Arna by now.
Sweetheart.
And, she told me one fine day that, Mom, I feel that I should freeze my eggs. I said, you're just 20. She said, but what's wrong in it? There's nothing wrong in it, just little injections and, extractions, but it's up to you. I said, but what is your idea? What do you want? She said, मैं चाहती हूँ that at 25, maybe we can have a baby. You'll be young enough to take care of the baby. You've raised me well. I'm sure you will do the next job better. And I can be with you. I can be with the child. I can still roam around.
Yeah.
I can have fun. I said, if you see as a conservative, traditional mother, I should get a shock of my life.
I know.
But for me, because, I am by default, I'm so open-minded, and I'm like, I'm not at all judgmental about anything.
Yes.
Ever. मतलब मुझे होता ही नहीं है. मुझे तो होता ही नहीं है मुझसे.
Right.
So I thought, great idea. If this is what you want, let's have it.
Yeah, it's a fantastic idea.
Yeah, and there's no problem about it. I can take care of it and I can manage it well. And whenever you're ready for it. So I understand now kids are in a different phenomena.
Yes.
They understand that the output of marriage is to have a child. And to have a child is the best feeling in the world.
Yes.
It's like it completes you in a very strange way. You don't even realize how.
Yes.
Matlab, it's an unexplainable feeling. So what are the 3 qualities you look for in a man?
So I don't know if the right word for this is self-made, but I do want someone who understands what real life is. One always says, I would like someone stable, but I would like someone who understands
The
that
struggles of life.
yeah, you don't have to be struggling, but you should be aware of them, and you should have a perspective of those things. So that is somewhere crucial, because I've met a lot of people, or you come across a lot of people who may be very rich, but they are very entitled, and it's not their fault. It's not their fault, but I think what happens in that is you tend to, like for me, I think it's very important that the dignity and grace is maintained of people around. So someone who's mindful of other people around them.
Respectful to them.
Yes, that's very important.
This is one, that he should be respectful. The second is that he should be either self-made or have sensitivity towards people who are self-made.
Or, like if I can put it any other way, someone who has an open mind and a perspective of who they are. As long as you know who you are, you'll allow another person to be who they are. If today I am willing to work on myself, and I know that, like there are a lot of people who blame the world. I don't like such people. I like people who like to take
The
onus
responsibility
and
that
responsibility.
it's my problem and I'll change it.
Yeah.
And third quality?
Third
कोई looks
quality,
wooks, कोई
sense
body.
of humor. Sense
Really?
of humor. Looks and वो तो it's a given.
अच्छा, मतलब वो तो चाहिए ही.
वो तो होगा ही.
अच्छा, otherwise मुझे पसंद ही क्यों आएगा? Wow.
Oh my God, I'm suddenly sounding very vain, but yeah, that it is.
But
Or actually, it's more about the eyes. I can say all the looks in the world, but you can be the most good-looking person, but if I don't see a soul in your eyes, then it'll not happen. I won't feel any attraction. So the eyes really matter over looks or anything else. You know what I'm saying?
yeah, I'm trying to. We just have to find a man who has big eyes.
Love it.
And he has done little hard work.
Eyes that I know, eyes that I've known since many births.
So you connect through eyes,
Yes.
which is a beautiful phenomena. I have never heard a description of such a man ever from a girl or a woman or anybody ever.
Is it a
ever?
good thing or a bad thing?
No, it's a good thing, but it's just like I want somebody who's stable, but mentally his struggle shouldn't be over.
No.
Of course.
Is that what I'm saying?
That is exactly what it means.
No. I wouldn't want someone who's bichara is mentally struggling or anything.
Because when you grow, you actually grow from everything that you've ever done, received, felt.
Right.
You can come back and remember, but you're
Right.
not that exactly sensitive to it. And it's very natural. That's how humans evolve and do. क्योंकि अगर हम रूट से तो जुड़े रहना ही चाहिए, मगर अगर हम सिर्फ रूट में देख रहे हैं तो फिर हम ऊपर बढ़ना बंद हो जाते
That's
हैं.
true. I think what I meant to say was that, there are times when people don't have time to work on themselves.
Nobody wants to work on themselves.
But that's the problem for me. I want someone who's willing to work on themselves, because when you're alone, like when I'm alone, I may not need to work on myself. But the minute you get a partner or you get even a dog at home, there are things that will come up of you that you'll need to work around because you have another entity. Forget a partner, lover, or whatever,
So you want the man always on his toes for you. Yeah, kind of.
No.
कि बस तुम ये मत सोचो कि मैं फॉर ग्रांटेड हूँ कि मैं आ गई हूँ तो आप तुम मत रखो, तुम दोपहर का खाना भी पूछो तो पूछो रात को मैंने
मैं पूछूंगी. I'm a very, I believe in service. So I think my problem is why I'm saying
You overgive.
I overgive. So I need someone who's not just taking. Because I will.
Reciprocating.
Yes. I'll keep giving, and then I'll be drained out. And I'll not find any fault in you. So and honestly, ये जो मैं आपको बोल भी रही हूँ ना, it's more of a me trying to set probably a guard or a boundary that don't do it again. Don't do it again. Don't, and it's no fault of anybody else's. I would say this. I'm not saying that there is a fault in people. This is my sort of nature that I overgive. So for someone who's an overgiver, you do want someone who's, if not a giver, you do want someone who sort of is their safe space, and not just a taker.
Everybody is, you just have to turn your back and there's somebody talking about you. You're into that phenomena 24/7.
Yes.
where आपको पता ही नहीं कि मेरे दोस्त भी हैं कि नहीं है इस system में. And then you meditate. But when you go out and meet all these people who I don't know are don't have much sanity around of थोड़ा जितना मैं देख और समझ पाती हूँ. How do you bring yourself to normalcy there?
I have actually lost a lot of friends who I thought were my friends in the last couple of years. And I have seen this, and just like you, I am not judgmental. So, I don't know whether, I understand people's journeys. I understand that if somebody has done something that's not to me, it's, everyone has their own personal journey, but it is very hard to deal with. And I think because of that, I honestly step out a lot less. And it's also changed my worldview of things, It's like now I'm in that whole thing of, people think that because you're an actor and you have done various work and, people consider you to be a starlet or whatever, which I'm like, no, don't put me in a box. I'm not. It's very difficult to sort of be in that world, and I feel like I want to give to that world. I don't want to take anything from them,
It's a beautiful thought.
Yes, and it's very hard because of everything you've said, because there's so much of insanity and there is so much of quick to judgment, everyone wants to put you in a box so they can make sense of you and move on. So it's very difficult to actually exist there.
And have a conversation.
Very difficult.
Yeah, it's like you open your mouth and God knows what, how, and what form it'll have and reach where.
Yes, it's happened with me.
Yeah, it's and I know it happened with you. That is why we're discussing that. So I also have this little thing for you where it's a little. It's not a test, but it is something to see your wittiness, like sharpness.
Okay.
So I'm going to say a couple of words and names and emotions and everything.
Okay.
You have to give a synonym to it.
Okay.
And the more emotional it is, the better it is. I don't mind materialistic synonym also, but give me something where I get a different perspective to that word or feeling or emotion.
Okay.
Okay. And if you do that well, I have a beautiful gift for your home.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah, yeah. And you'll only get it if you do it well.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna
are we-
try.
yeah, done. I don't like word trying. I like in doing. So you do it.
Okay, I will do it.
Done. Awesome. So, Janeman.
Oh, you.
Oh, wow. That
Yes.
is beautiful. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Legend.
Peace.
Ghar.
Power.
Oh. Floating.
Where?
It's floating where? It's what I mean to say. It's man-made.
Power is man-made.
Yeah.
Prosperity.
Me. My name means prosperity.
That's the cutest answer up till now. Okay, next. Shah Rukh Khan.
Love. So much love.
Mom.
Oh, mom is heart.
Dad.
Dad is I don't know. I look at him and have mischief. Like friend.
You can talk your heart out with dad?
No, he talks his heart out to me.
Oh, wow. So you counsel him.
Yes.
Okay. Psychology.
Student, because I've been a psychology student.
Do you believe in understanding?
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's the only way I can let go of the various, you have, you live a life and you have pains and grief and everything. How else the only way I've been able to not carry the heaviness inside me is that I've been able to let go. The only way you can let go is if you understand that it's not yours, it is a separate thing. It doesn't belong to you. You don't have to carry this grief, or you can feel it, but you allow it to be there and then you observe it and let it go. So, yeah.
Yellow.
Yellow is actually a friend of mine, Richa. She's a friend of mine, but it's her favorite color and she's my friend since school. So that she came to my mind suddenly.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Red.
Red. Why am I thinking of people? Sakshi, that's my sister-in-law. That's her favorite color.
Oh, wow. This is great analogy. You have people connected with the colors.
Color?
All right. Earrings.
Earrings. Earrings. Greater Kailash Market.
Now I want to ask about 5 people who are very, very close to your heart. Like closest to your heart.
Okay, just say. I think my mom, dad, my brother, my sister-in-law, and my nephew.
What was the last award you won?
This year I've been winning awards every month, since January, and it's been extremely gratifying. I feel like God is trying to, give me some little patting me on my back, and it's been very special. Yeah, since January I've been winning awards for the last film. I've just done 2 films actually, but I did a film called The Sabarmati Report. So I've been, getting awards for that. So it's been really special.
And where do you keep the awards in your home?
So, very interesting. I would love to tell you this, but I have been acting for a while and I had a lot of awards. And last year sometime, I think last year or last to last year, I was in my bedroom and I suddenly heard a loud noise. And my entire bookshelf
Fell down.
And all my trophies broke. They broke to a point where I couldn't piece
Repair them
together. So I'm very I've come to that stage where I'm very good with detachment. I don't feel like, oh, ye kya ho gaya? Oh my God. So I, told God, okay, whatever you have decided to do, no problem. I fixed that bookshelf again. Not that I got a new one. I should actually, but I fixed it again, put it back. And now I've suddenly started getting more awards, and right now I've kept them next to my temple.
And
And my
it's closer
parents'
to your
picture.
dining table also.
Yes, yes, yes.
And have you added a little bit candles also closer to them?
yes,
And you light them every day?
yes. I actually light in Akhand Jyot, so that's where they all are. So my jyot is like, and I often wonder this, this jyot that I light every day, is it more for the god or is it for me? I feel
It's working for you. The place where you're lighting is where it's getting growth and evolution more and more and more. You don't have time, but you've started getting a lot of books also. You're
Yes.
buying a lot of books also.
Yes.
So it's not that your awards are growing, your knowledge is also growing.
Yes. I can't tell you, I'm in a meditative state. I think that's why I love acting. So it's far more to me. That's when I was telling you that I don't really want to take anything. I want to give, because it already gives me so much. That time that I spend in front of the camera, it gives me so much joy. I just love it.
So you've answered it beautifully. I have on this beautiful conversation 2 gifts for you, not just one.
फिर से आपका स्वागत है जाने मन के इस मंच पर, जहाँ दिल से बात होती है हर जैसे बात के आंचल पर। आज का मेहमान वो चेहरा है, नूर जिसमें है बाकमाल।
And this is another gift for you.
सुंदरता सिर्फ चेहरे तक नहीं, दिल भी है लाजवाब। रिद्धि डोगरा नाम है जिसका, पर पहचान है रूह से। छोटी सी मुस्कान में भी छुपी है दुनिया भर की रोशनी से।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.